Valued patients and followers, I am Dr. Kuntal Soni from Aura Dental, committed for world-class smiling solutions. In spite of all care, one can lose teeth. It is very important to replace missing teeth. Otherwise, it may lead to cavity, gum disease, and disturbance in the balance of the teeth, jaw, and jaw joints. We at Aura Dental Care, with the help of state-of-the-art technology, latest treatment protocol, try to add value for our esteemed patients to replace missing teeth. Presenting to our esteemed patients your guide to Dental Bridge, everything you wanted to know.
Vision, mission, quality policy.
One may have following questions about dental bridge. Why dental bridge? Understand what happens when removed tooth is not replaced. When a missing tooth is not replaced, opposite and adjacent teeth may move in that space, and this will cause spaces between the teeth, which leads to dental caries, change in the teeth alignment, and disturbances in the balance of the teeth and jaw. In a nutshell, not replacing one missing tooth may affect 7 teeth in long run and can lead to dental caries, abnormal teeth wear, and gum disease. What is dental bridge? To replace missing teeth, a bridge is made which is supported by natural teeth on either side of the gap. The support teeth are prepared and shaped to receive the dental bridge. Once the impression of prepared teeth are made, bridge is prepared in lab. Then testing is done to check the final aesthetic and function. Lastly, final bridge is fixed with prepared adjacent teeth. This bridge looks, feels and functions like natural teeth. State-of-the-art technology to add value for the dental bridge. First, digital impression and computer-aided designing and milling technology gives highest precision for the bridge which avoids human error. Bridge making process becomes very fast, so one can have dental bridge even within a day. Digital impressions avoids physical measurement, which is very comfortable to the patient. Second, laser 3D printed crowns, known as DMLS, direct laser metal sintering technology. With this technology, metal backing of the bridge is directly 3D printed using computer, which gives extraordinary precision to the bridge. This technology is very useful when the supporting teeth are very short, used in an implant cases where precision is utmost important. Third, bonding technology instead of conventional cementation technology. It helps as resin materials avoids loose crowns and bridges, very useful for the short crowns. Junction of the tooth and crown is seamless, which prevents dental caries. Improved look as no opaque cement margin is visible. Advantages, disadvantages and alternatives to bridge. There are two options for dental bridge. Number 1, porcelain fused to metal, popularly known as ceramic bridge. This kind of bridge has metal backing and ceramic is layered on top of this. Another option for bridge use zirconia or lithium disilicate as backing, which is translucent material and ceramic is layered over it. Let's compare PFM bridge with zirconia and Emax bridge with some parameters to make you understand for decision making. Parameter 1, aesthetic. Look wise, ceramic bridge is tooth colored, but due to metal backing it cannot be 100% matched with the natural teeth, while the zirconia and Emax bridge uses translucent backing so light can pass through it, which gives it natural and lifelike appearance. Parameter 2, translucency. How much light can pass? The ceramic bridge is very opaque due to metal backing. Light cannot pass through it, so in bright light or incandescent light it differentiates in the mouth, while zirconia and Imex crown is very translucent and blends with natural teeth. Parameter 3. Margins. In ceramic bridge, due to metal backing, black margin is visible, while this is not the case with zirconia bridge. It blends very well with the gums and adjacent natural teeth. Parameter 4. How bridge is fixed? Ceramic bridge uses the conventional cementation technology, which is not seamless and leaves opaque cement margin near the gums, so there is possibility of developing caries at the junction of tooth and bridge. Zirconia and Imex bridge uses state-of-the-art bonding technology using resin material, which is seamless and blends with the gum margin, so here the possibility of dental caries at the margin of the tooth and bridge is very less. Parameter 5. How much tooth preparation is required? Ceramic bridge requires more tooth cutting as there is a need to mask the opaque layer, while in zirconia and Imex bridge requires very less tooth cutting due to material strength and need not to mask opaque metal like in ceramic bridge. Parameter 7. Technology. Ceramic bridge uses conventional wax elimination casting for metal backing, which may involve human errors, while zirconia and Imex bridge uses latest and state-of-the-art 3D printing and computer-aided designing and milling technology, which gives extraordinary precision and fast output. Parameter 8. Cost. Ceramic bridge uses conventional technology, so it involves moderate cost, while zirconia and Imex uses state-of-the-art technology, which involves moderately high cost. Apart from these options, one may choose metal bridge for the back teeth as a value for money options also. Alternatives to bridge. Alternatives to bridge are dental implants. Dental implant is a fixed teeth which do not require any adjacent teeth modification and can be done where bridge is not possible. Implant is possible for missing one, few or all teeth. Another alternative to bridge is removable denture. It is less accepted by patients as it is bulky due to metal or acrylic plate and requires daily cleaning outside the mouth. It requires more repairs and maintenance than bridges and implants. It is a good option as a temporary till bridge or implant is made. Now let's understand process of making dental bridge at Aura Dental Care. Step 1. Medical and dental history. A detailed dental examination is done. Step 2. Plaster study model is made to evaluate the support of the teeth. Step 3. Photography. It is done to check the aesthetic. Step 4. Adjacent teeth are prepared and shaped, then an impression is made using the latest rubber material or state-of-the-art digital impression technology. Step 5. A provisional bridge is given to improve patient comfort and precision. Step 6. Testing of the bridge is done to check aesthetic and function. Step 7. Final bridge is cemented or bonded. Step 8. Lastly, the patient is educated with the oral hygiene for bridge and maintenance for a long life of bridge. Risk and complications involved with dental bridge. Few important instructions before bridge. During and after instructions. Payment modes at Aura Dental Care. Home care for dental bridge. Yearly checkups and professional cleaning. Cleaning around the bridge using dental floss and super floss. Cleaning below the bridge using interdental brush. Use of water pick for long-term hygiene.
At Aura Dental, with our vast experience, state-of-the-art technology and latest treatment protocol, we have smiling solutions for the dental bridge. For any query, you can call or schedule virtual consultation. Visit our website auradental.com for details. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.